So you just picked up an iPhone 12 or an iPhone 12 Pro and you're thinking, I need some stuff for these bad boys. Well, let's talk accessories. All right, so the very first accessory is something you probably need to pick up right now, because the brand new iPhone 12 and 12 Pro do not come with chargers in the box. Apple has done away with those chargers. You can still use your older chargers, but to take advantage of the faster 20-watt charging, you need a 20-watt charger. And I've got two for you, and they are from Anker and Spigen. These are small nano chargers. I really like them. They're very portable. They are small. They've got a nice small footprint. They use USB Type-C to Lightning cable, so you can use the cables in your box. And they are just easy to use. I love the size and something you pick up, and it only costs $19.99. So our very next accessory is not just one thing, it's a whole system. And this is from our video sponsor, Peak Design. And you know them, they make this awesome camera bags, but they've released something that is great for your iPhone, and I think will take it to the very next level. It's called Mobile by Peak Design. It's on Kickstarter right now. Definitely go check it out once you see this, because you're gonna love it. And I think it's gonna change the way you use your device. Now, it's a whole system of different parts, but also comes with a case as well. That's kind of like a center point, if you will. Now, the case itself is just really nice. It's got a nice fabric finish to it. I love the bumpers around, really solid, a little bit soft but solid. Again, giving you that tender but strong feel to it. The buttons are also firm and nice, so when you're actually clicking on them, you can have access. Clean cutouts for your camera, and of course, your speaker and lightning port at the bottom. But the main thing is that cutout in the center, that square cutout there. That's for all the different attachments that you're going to be using with this case. And it's really cool because it connects via magnets, and you're thinking, wait, oh, what about MagSafe? Yeah, it will be supported when it launches, so not to worry about that. But it works, and also will work with your wireless charging. Now, one of the cool pieces of the system I like is the mobile tripod. It's right here. It's really simple. All you have to do is snap it to the case and boom, it is connected. You can take it with you on the go, put it in your pocket, and it's with your case all the time. So for someone like me, I'm going to the gym. I like to record my workouts sometimes, throw, of course, on TikTok or Instagram, or even watch workouts while I'm actually at the gym to see what I'm doing right. And it's easy to just drop this down and start recording and doing my workouts. I love that about it. And it's got just these three legs. You pop out, you place it down, you're good to go. And then when you're done, you put it back up, you're good. That's just the simplicity of this mobile tripod, and I love it. Now, you can also use it as kind of a selfie stick or camera rig. So if you were recording walking down the street, this will help you do that quite easily as well. So a nice, simple, great system. Now, they all have other parts of the system. They have a wall mount, which I thought, I might not use this, but I found it quite useful. Being able to stick it on the wall, put your phone, and you can start recording or do whatever you want to do, watch a show, have it up there for your kid, so they can actually watch something. It's got uses that are great. Now, besides the wall mount, they also have a car mount as well. I don't have a car, but what makes the ecosystem special is the fact that Peak Design has crafted a case that can interact with such a wide variety of mounting scenarios. With Mobile by Peak Design, you don't have to switch between a case to go from the soft locking mobile tripod to the mechanical out front bike mount. It is truly unique. And now some of you are thinking, well, Thunder E, that's all nice and dandy, but I've got cases that I like, but I do like the system. Aha, wait a minute. They have a universal adapter, this little bad boy right here. Yep, you slap it to the back of your case and then boom, you're good. You can start using different accessories with it, and it works. That is what I like about it. It works, and it's great, and it's simple. You can use all the different accessory parts, and you can mix and match. So go ahead, check out that Kickstarter link. I think you're gonna like this, and I think this will change the way you use mobile accessories altogether. The next accessory is something that a lot of people might not think about, but it's something you definitely need to pick up. So a lot of people are gonna be picking up MagSafe, which is pretty cool, but the cable is rather short. So if you have a plug that's far away from where you are and you want to use this, you need an extender cable. So a USB Type-C to USB Type-C extender right here. This is about $8 or so. This is a braided cable. There are other versions, but I like braided cables because they last longer and you can extend the length of your MagSafe, so you can use it wherever you want to go. So that again is pretty key. Now the next accessory is one that I personally love because I am a gamer, and now you can play your Xbox games on your iPhone, your iPhone 12, your iPhone 12 Pro, 11. I have a video for that, check that out. But it is the Razer Kishi for iPhone or iOS devices, aka iPhones. And it's same as your regular Kishi. It's got the same layout, same button layouts as you expect, except when you open it up, it has a lightning port so you can connect your iPhone, and it will work all the way to the 11 Pro Max. I'm sure the 12 Pro Max, once it comes out, I'll check it out. But I like it because I can play my games. It will also work with Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile, I believe. So you've got the ability to use that controller, and it is an awesome controller to use. So definitely check that out. Last but not least is one I think a lot of people would definitely want to pick up, is a screen protector. Now I know the iPhone has a brand new screen that is basically almost, destruction proof. I'm not saying that's not what they said, but it's pretty strong. Doesn't mean it stops it from scratching, just to make sure. And hey, I don't want to have any issues with this new iPhone. I like the look and everything. The Glass TR Easy Fit. This is from Spigen. I absolutely love it. I have it on my 11 Pro Max, and I also have it here on my 12 Pro. What I like about it is how easy it is to set up and fit. It comes with 2 in the pack, so if you got a 12 and 12 Pro for yourself or a significant other, you've got enough to cover both of you. It comes with everything you need, a cleaning cloth. It has also got some clean screen wipes, so you wipe it down, make sure the screen is clean, make sure you wipe it with a cloth, then you peel, just follow the instructions on the you peel the inside, place the cover case on your iPhone, press down, and basically go through that line and keep for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, come back and then peel up, lift up the case and take off the screen protector, and boom, you've got a screen on top of your iPhone that gives you protection from drops. So if it shatters, your screen is still protected. If somebody tries to scratch it or you scratch it, it's protected as well. It is nice, I like it, and it works out pretty well. So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions in the comments, let me know. And if you want to pick up any of these accessories, use the links down below, especially the one for Peak Design, because that mobile system is pretty awesome. You can pick and choose what you want. So go ahead and check it out on the website. Anyway, thank you again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yes, subscribe. Always enjoy your entertainment.